Welcome to Repro Products' corporate office. Here we offer several types of services at our company. We have print services, 3D laser scanning services, an Autodesk software sales division, wide format division, Xerox office and production division, as well as drone aerial imaging. We have actually two families, Repro Products and TCS, the color spot. For our print services division, we have small format color and copies, large format scanning, digital Planroom, facilities management, large format black and white, and large format color functionality. We also have, for the small format color copies, black and white and color, 1 or 2 sided, collate and fold. We have choice of bindings, color prints up to 12 by 18, and CD/DVD creation. For our large format scanning, we have the ability to preserve the integrity of your data, to reduce your storage space, and to protect from loss due to water or fire. So let us scan your content. For our digital Planroom, we have the ability to secure all of your digital content in a safe manner. For our facility management division, we have the ability to have you work with us since we've been around since 1979. And under our large format black and white, we have copy print up to 60 inches wide, full and half sizes, a large or reduced size, bond, vellum, or film, and choice of bindings. For full color copy and print, we have the ability to reduce your time and error with color CDs, and as much as 80%, 78%, and 65%. Wide format division. We offer a ton of wide format equipment solutions for the industry's top providers. HP, KIP, PageWide, HP, so on. We have our software and technical sales division as well, so we do software training and implementation for many of the products. We have a Xerox Multi-Function Division, and we are actually Atlanta's exclusive Xerox agent. We have received multiple awards, both individually and jointly, for all of our community services. So please stop in when you can. Welcome everyone, this is Untitled with Repro Products. Today's video is on what's new in AutoCAD 2023 and specifically the count command update. I have a file open here, and when we talk about the new count function and the updates, you can head over to the View tab of the ribbon, Palettes panel, and make sure your Count tool palette is turned on. Mine is docked over here, so I'm going to go ahead and pull it out and let it expand a little bit so you can see what's going on. Now, when we talk about the new updates, and let's say you want to create a count, you can click this command right here, count in a specified area, and now you have the ability to specify a rectangular region, an object, such as another polygon or a boundary, or a polygonal one. So if I go with the default, which is a rectangle, I can click, move my mouse, click again, it looks at just those areas and it gives me the count. See, it says 9. From there I can create the table if I want to as well. So I have to go ahead and put a little check mark for what I want to have a table, click insert, and then it's going to ask me to place the table. Now I'm just going to go ahead and place it over here, and I know it's very small, so we'll just go ahead and scale it up just for the sake of speed. Now when we go back and to the main area to count again, let's do this. We're going to do another count, but this time we're going to choose polygonal in the command line. And now I can pick the polygonal shape that I want, and as you keep clicking, it'll ask you to specify the points. So if I wanted a weird polygonal shape, like say this, and I'm finished and I hit enter, it'll give me the count of 3. See? and I'll finish it. Then lastly, maybe you have an object already in the file. For example, this polyline. Start the command, pick object, and then pick that polyline. And it should give me a count, as you can see. And it says 4. Other things that they've done as well to update the count functionality. Even though I'm not in the count command, and I have a table already generated with count function, I can select it and I can still click this little icon right here, and it shows me the linked count objects. So I say show count instances, and it should highlight and give me that area. And then obviously if there are any weird errors, it'll pop up and tell you, like for example, some of the blocks might have been exploded or renamed, or some other function that's causing it to give you the error. The count toolbar that you get here tells you the quantity, tells you warnings, allows you to step forward or backward to the next count, allows you to add a count for a specified area again, be able to select anything that's already counted, and then lastly, inserting a count field as well, and then your green check. Back over here, if I do the count command and I say a count of the blocks, it will also give me counts of blocks as well. And if you have text, it'll analyze and understand the text. If I do a count of blocks here that may have patterning as well, you should be able to count the blocks. If you have hatching already created in your file, you can do a count of all the hatching as well. And that's it. Those are all the updates to the count command. And as always, if you have questions, just let me know. And thank you very much for watching.